Good morning, everyone. Today we are starting lesson 13, What Nick Wanted to Be. Let's start with the new words. Number one is crawl. Crawl means to move along very slowly. Second word is shuttler. Shuttler means a person who pull or push vehicles. Third, scratch. Scratch means scrape. खरोंच लग जाना. Fourth is ashamed. Ashamed means embarrassed. Fifth, realized. Realized means become fully aware of. Next is pilot. Pilot means a person who operates aeroplane. Seventh is shepherd. Shepherd means a person who look after sheep. Eighth, vendor. Vendor means a person who sells things. Yes, children, this is a story of a small boy named Nick who was confused about what he wanted to be after growing up. What do you want to be when you grow up? Nick always had a ready answer, but each time his answer was different. At first, Nick wanted to be a night watchman. He liked to think that while the whole town was asleep, the night watchman wake up. And he liked to think that he could make noise when everyone was sleeping. He was quite certain that he wanted to be a night watchman when he grew up. So, whenever someone visits to ask Nick's house and asks him what he wants to be after growing up, without wasting his time, Nick answered it. But every time his answer was changed from the previous one. At first, he wanted to become a night watchman. He liked to think that when everybody is sleeping, the watchman wakes up, and Nick thought that time watchman could do anything, whatever he wanted to. He could make noise and also could play on the road or streets all alone. So he decided to become a night watchman. But when the ice cream vendor comes along with his bright green cart, he thought, why not he should become an ice cream vendor because he could eat all the ice creams he wanted to. Nick thought, I shall eat a stick of ice cream every day and also treat little children to ice cream free. Little Nick's parents were very surprised when they heard that their son wanted to be an ice cream vendor. It was quite funny for them, but he thought it would be very interesting way of being grown up. But next day, when he sees the bright cart of ice cream seller, then he dropped the idea of being a night watchman and decided to become an ice cream vendor. The motto behind that was he could eat as much as he wanted to, and he also thought he would give free ice cream to little children. Nick's parents got surprised when they come to know about his thought. They were taking it very lightly, but on the other hand, Nick was sure about being an ice cream vendor. Then one day, little Nick saw a man at the railway station. The man kept playing with the cars and locomotives. But these were real cars and real locomotives. He would jump on the platforms and crawl under the cars, playing a strange and wonderful game. Once Nick went to a railway station and noticed that a person was pulling and pushing the vehicles or cars. He was crawling under the cars. Nick became very happy and decided to become like that man. Who is that man? Nick asked. He is the shuttler, he was told. Now little Nick knew what he wanted to be. Just think, he would shut railway cars. What in the world could be more interesting? Nothing. Obviously, when Nick said that he would be a shuttler, someone asked him, but what about the ice cream? This was a problem. Nick had decided to become a shuttler, but he did not want to give up the bright green ice cream cart. At last, he found a way out. When someone said that, what about becoming ice cream vendor? He also found the solution of this problem, as he did not want to leave the idea of being an ice cream vendor. I will be a shuttler and an ice cream vendor. Everyone was very surprised. But little Nick explained it all quite clearly. That's not hard at all. I will sell ice cream in the morning. After selling for a while, I'll go to the station. There, I'll shut some cars and go back to sell some more ice creams. Then I will go back to the station and shut the cars again. And then I will sell some more ice cream. It won't be hard because I will park my car near the station and I won't have far to go to the train. Everyone laughed again. When everybody asked him what about the ice cream cart, then he said he would manage with both the professions. He would sell the ice creams. After selling the ice creams, he would come to station to shut the cars. Then we'll go back to sell ice creams. Again, we'll come back to the station to shut the cars. And he also said that it will not be difficult for him as he would park his car near the station. The people laughing at him. Then little Nick got angry and said, if are going to laugh at me, I will be a night watchman because, after all, there is nothing to do at night. It was all settled. But then Nick wanted to be a pilot. Then he wanted to be an actor. But when his father took him to the factory, he decided to be a turner. Besides, he wanted to be a seller or at least a shepherd and spend his days walking about with the cows, cracking his whip loudly. Little Nick got angry and said if all of them would laugh like this, he would become a night watchman, as there was nothing to do at night. When this was final, then again he changed his mind and he wanted to be a pilot, then an actor. Once he went to the factory and decided to become a turner, then a seller, and then shepherd who just walked with the cows, cracking his whip loudly. Finally, he wanted to be a dog. All that day he ran around on the floor, barking at strangers. He even tried to bite an elderly lady when she wanted to pat his head. Little Nick learned how to bark very well, but he couldn't learn how to scratch behind his ears with his foot, though he tried very hard. He thought that if he went outside and sat next to Brute, he would learn more quickly. That's exactly what he did. After all, he decided to be a dog. The reason for that was he could run around and could bark at the strangers. He tried to bit an elderly lady when she wanted to pat him. Nick learned how to bark like a dog, and Nick was also trying to learn to scratch behind the ears as dogs do, though he tried hard. He had an idea that if he would sit with Brute, his dog, he would learn to scratch behind his ears very quickly. Just then, an officer was walking down the street. He stopped and looked at Nick. He watched him for a while and then asked, what are you doing? I want to be a dog, little Nick said. Don't you want to be a person? I have been a person for a long time, Nick said. What sort of a person are you if you can't even be a dog? Is that what a person is like? When Nick was sitting with his dog and was trying to copy it, an officer was passing by the street. He stared at Nick and asked surprisingly, what was he doing? Nick said that he was trying to become like a dog. When the officer asked why doesn't he want to be a normal person? Nick answered that he has been a person since long time. Then officer asked that what type of a person you are who wants to behave like a dog. You think about yourself, the officer said and walked away. He was not laughing and did not even smile. But little Nick suddenly felt much ashamed of himself. And he began to think. He thought, and the more he thought, the more ashamed he was of himself. The officer did not explain anything to him, But he suddenly understood that he could not change his mind every day. And what was the most important, he realized that he was too small to know what he wanted to be. The next time he was asked the same question, he remembered and said, I want to be a person. When Nick asked what type of a person should be, then officer left everything on himself and walked away. Then Nick felt shameful. He realized that every time he changed his ideas, though he was too small to decide what he wanted to. So he decided if now onwards, if someone asked the same question, he would answer that he wants to be a person first. No one laughed, and little Nick understood that this was the best answer of all. He still thinks so. First of all, you have to be a good person. This is most important for a pilot, a shepherd, and an ice cream man. And after all, a human being does not really have to know how to scratch behind his ears with his foot. Now Nick understood that he has got the best answer. He realized that if a person is good, he can achieve his goal easily. And the most important thing was for a good person, it is not required to scratch behind his ears with his foot. So, today we have learned the lesson what Nick wanted to be. Now, your homework is read the lesson with proper pauses. Thank you.